Hey there! A very good morning. You caught me at my beautiful terrace garden in this serene morning. Well, what are you expecting? 7 tips as to how to maintain a terrace garden? No, you are in for a surprise. Well, today morning, I'm giving you a health capsule which will keep you fit and healthy for the rest of your life. What is that magic capsule? It is Surya Namaskaras. Namaskarasana. Stand at the edge of your mat, keeping your feet together, and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in a prayer-like position. Urdhva Namaskara. Breathing in, lifting your arms up and back, keeping the biceps close to the ear. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tip of the finger. You may push the pelvis forward a little bit, ensuring you're reaching up with the fingers rather than trying to bend backwards. Uttanasana. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. You may bend the knees, if necessary, to bring the palms down to the floor. Make a gentle effort to straighten the knees. Ekapada Prasarnasana. Breathing in, push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Ensure that the left foot is exactly in between the palms. Dandasana. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line, keeping your arms perpendicular to the floor. Ashtanga Namaskara. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly. Slide forward. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. Your hands, feet, knees, chest and chin must touch the floor. Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise the chest up in the cobra posture. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose. The shoulders away from your ears. Look up as you inhale. Make a gentle effort to push the chest forward. As you exhale, make a gentle effort to push the navel down. Tucking your toes under, ensure that you are stretching as much as you can. Parvatasana. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up in the position of the alphabet A. If possible, try and keep the heels on the ground and push your head inwards. Ekapada Prasarnasana. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between your two hands. Left knee must touch the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Place the right foot exactly between the two hands and the right calf must be perpendicular to the floor. Uttanasana. Breathing out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend your knees if necessary. Gently straighten the knees and if you can, try and touch your nose to the knees. Keep breathing in this position. Urdhva Namaskara. Breathing in, roll the spine up. Extend your hands towards the sky, pushing the hips slightly outward. Ensure that your biceps are beside your ears. The idea is to stretch up more rather than stretching backwards. Tadasana. As you exhale, first straighten the body. Then bring the arms down. Relax in this position. Observe the sensations in your body. "12 steps to a healthy future." That's Good Morning Bangalore for you. See you soon for more fun, frolic and fitness.